Hey, this is Jeronimo with On Point Studios with a quick tutorial on how to use Zoom's new American Sign Language function. So first thing you want to do is go to Zoom. That's zoom.us. Go into your account. You want to make sure you have the administrative account because that's the one you're going to need to be able to make this happen. So on the left-hand side, if you're the admin, you're going to go down to Account Management. Then you're going to go ahead and go to Account Settings. Now we're going to go to In Meeting Advanced. Let's see if we can find it. Should be right here. You see Sign Language Interpretation View. You want to make sure that's on. There we go. And we're good to go. Now you're going to have to schedule a meeting in order for this to happen. I don't think it's going to work in your personal meeting room. So go ahead and go to Meetings. Then you're going to go to Schedule a Meeting. When you go to Schedule a Meeting, you want to make sure that you see it on. There it is. It's checked on. Fantastic. That is great. And I actually already have a meeting running, so you've done that. Next thing you're going to want to do is open your Zoom. So go ahead and open your Zoom. There is our Zoom. Let's make it full screen. Great. And I have a couple of Zoom accounts running, so let's go ahead and turn on the video for those. There's one video. Let's turn on the other. Hey y'all, how you doing? Here's two videos. What you want to do now is you're going to go to interpretation just like you would for language. And let's see, when it pops up first, you're going to see it like this. So then you're going to go ahead and click on the arrow. You're going to click on, let me get rid of these. Click on Add Interpreter. It's going to ask you if it's language or sign language. You're going to select sign language. Then you're going to put in the name of the interp. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and pick one. This one is On Point Live Streams. So let's go ahead and do that. You can actually pick two, but you can only have one on at any one time. So I'm going to go ahead and add a second one. Click on Sign Language. Click on Period. Click on Start. And there it is. You see this pop out. So folks that are watching will be able to have this pop out on their own computers. They'll be able to move it around. It is that easy. Yeah, and that is it. So for folks who are at home, what they would have to do in order to see this is they would now see this little pop-up sign, sign language interpretation available. Click here to get started. Go ahead and click that. They would be able to turn it on, and there it is. Easy as that, y'all. And they'd be able to put it anywhere on their page. So that is it. I believe you will have to update to the latest version of Zoom to make sure this is accessible, but it's really, really simple. Any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. All right, y'all. See you next time.